The Lian Vector V100 ATX mid-tower PC case is designed for builders who want a spacious, modern chassis with strong component support and a clean presentation. This V100 RX model comes with 4 ARGB PWM fans included, giving builders a ready-to-use lighting setup while also providing airflow-focused cooling options right out of the box. The combination of a mid-tower layout and included fans makes this case a practical choice for gaming systems, performance-focused desktops, and custom PC builds where both appearance and functionality matter. One of the key features of the Vector V100 is its support for large components. The case can accommodate GPUs up to 420, which provides plenty of room for many current graphics card designs. For users planning a powerful graphics-focused build, having extra GPU clearance can make installation easier and provide more flexibility when selecting components. The included GPU bracket is another useful addition, helping support larger graphics cards and improving the overall structure of the build. Cooling support is also a major part of the design, with compatibility for a 360 radiator. This gives builders the option to use larger liquid cooling solutions when creating systems that need additional cooling capacity. Combined with the 4 ARGB PWM fans, the case offers a foundation for a well-ventilated setup while keeping cable management and internal organization in mind. The Vector V100 also focuses on convenience and aesthetics. It includes a side I/O USB-C port, providing a modern connection option for compatible devices and accessories. The built-in dust filter helps reduce the amount of debris entering the system, which can be useful for maintaining a cleaner interior over time. For users who care about the visual side of a PC build, the LED and display platform design adds an extra element for showcasing the system's components and lighting. As an ATX mid-tower case, the Lian Vector V100 offers a balance between size and expandability. It is large enough to support high-end hardware while still maintaining a more traditional desktop footprint compared with larger full-tower designs. Builders should consider their exact component choices and cooling setup to ensure everything fits their preferred configuration, but the available GPU and radiator support provide a flexible starting point. Overall, the Lian Vector V100 is aimed at PC enthusiasts who want a feature-rich case with strong hardware compatibility, built-in ARGB PWM fans, modern connectivity, and design elements that highlight a custom build. It provides a solid platform for users creating a gaming PC or performance desktop that needs room for larger components without moving to an oversized chassis.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.